So today we're talking about how to use ZK840 counting scale. This program just for MSP customer because they add more function to it. When you palm, you see the screen. Press PLU button to enter the PLU code, PLU ID, or you can use barcode scanner, scan ID. For example, right now I use 1. Press enter. Next, you ask you baggy tag weight. So for example, now I put 0.5. Enter. Then we'll ask you container, how many container. So if you, for example, 2 and 2, then the total will be 2 PLU. This container PLU I set up is 1 kg. For example, it will be 2 times 1 is 2 kg plus baggy weight 1.5, so total is 3.5 kg. Press enter. Next, we'll ask you to enter your product operator ID. This is the previous ID. You could press enter to use the previous one, or you can enter whatever you need. Same as scale operator, machine, and shift. Press enter. Then you can see the weight and the count in the screen. So press print button. You will print it out. So this is the example of your tickets or sticker. You will show shift barcode, PLU, product, scale, and machine barcode. Also, if you have USB plug to the scale indicator, the file will be under USB core label.csv file. When you open this, it will look like this. I'll show you this. So you can see this file name is my goodness. One second. Something wrong with this machine. Something wrong with this machine. Okay, so you can see the file name is called label.csv file. You will have time, date, time, PLU, no number, how many, quantity, weight, tail weight, this gross weight, tail weight, and net weight. Also include operation ID, machine ID, and shift. If you have a question about this program, please contact us. Thank you for your watching.